Welcome to Inside Car Mix, your ultimate destination for the most exciting and detailed reviews of the world's finest vehicles. Today, we bring you something truly extraordinary, a machine that redefines luxury travel and sets a new standard in the RV industry. This is the 2026 Kenworth RV, known proudly as the King of All RVs, and for good reason. It's more than just a recreational vehicle, it's a palace on wheels, blending unmatched comfort, jaw-dropping performance, and breathtaking design. From the very first glance, the 2026 Kenworth RV commands attention. Its exterior is nothing short of stunning, with a bold and aerodynamic front profile, chrome accents that shimmer in the sun, and a paint finish that speaks of elegance and strength. The massive body structure sits confidently on a heavy-duty chassis, designed not just for style but for ultimate road stability. Integrated LED light strips, high-mounted headlights, and a futuristic grille design make it look like something straight out of a luxury concept, yet it's here and ready to own the highways today. Step inside, and you're immediately immersed in a world of refined luxury. The cockpit is crafted for drivers who demand both control and comfort, featuring a panoramic windshield for an expansive view, premium leather captain chairs, and a fully digital instrument cluster. As you move into the living space, the attention to detail becomes even more evident. The open floor plan boasts a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a spacious lounge with reclining leather sofas, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system complete with surround sound. The master bedroom is no less than a luxury hotel suite, offering a king-size bed, mood lighting, and ample storage space, while the bathroom features a spa-inspired shower and high-end finishes. Every inch of the interior is designed to make you feel at home. Only this home moves with you wherever the road takes you. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Kenworth RV is as powerful as it is beautiful. Powered by a robust turbocharged diesel engine, it delivers the kind of torque you need to haul this giant effortlessly, while advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Cutting-edge driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, make driving this massive RV surprisingly stress-free. It's built not just for luxury, but for reliability and safety on every journey. Of course, all this luxury and performance come at a price. The 2026 Kenworth RV starts at a premium range, with the base model already offering more than most travelers could dream of, and customizable upgrades that allow buyers to personalize every detail, from interior layouts to exterior finishes. This is an RV for those who want nothing less than the best, a statement of success, adventure, and ultimate freedom. The King of All RVs is here to rule the open.